Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Saily SIM for WhatsApp and explain why it still works perfectly fine even if you don't have your regular SIM card in your phone. Before we jump in, quick reminder, there's an affiliate link and a 15% off coupon code waiting in the description below. You can use it on any Saily plan to save a bit on your next trip, so make sure to check that out. Alright, let's clear this up. Yes, WhatsApp works totally fine with a Saily SIM. When you first set up WhatsApp, it just needs your phone number one time for verification. After that, all it needs is an internet connection to send and receive messages. It doesn't actually depend on your SIM card anymore. So even if you take out your physical SIM or switch over to a Saily SIM while traveling, you'll still be able to use WhatsApp with your original number. As long as your phone is connected to mobile data through Saily or Wi-Fi, you're good to go. That means you can keep chatting with friends and family abroad, share photos, and even make WhatsApp calls, all without worrying about those expensive roaming charges. And if you're using an iPhone, yep, iMessage works with Saily too. It runs over the internet, so you can use it anywhere in the world just like you do at home. Quick tip, if iMessage ever stops working, go to your settings, tap Messages, make sure iMessage is turned on, and then check the Send and Receive section to confirm your Apple ID email is selected. And that's it. Using WhatsApp with your Saily SIM is super simple. No extra setup, no tricks. Just activate your plan, connect to the internet, and start messaging or calling like normal. Don't forget, you can grab that 15% off coupon and use the affiliate link in the description to save on your Saily SIM plan. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick Saily tutorials, and let me know in the comments where you're traveling next.